Good morning, boys and girls. So today for SEL, your greeting is an air high five, air hug, an air hug, or a bow. So good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about time management. Time management is using your time wisely to complete the things you need to. Having good time management skills helps you work at your best. So I am going to put into Canvas this question. What does it mean to use your time wisely? So I want you to think about that. What does it mean to use your time wisely? If you're using your time wisely, are you fooling around or talking to your classmates or staring out the window or reading a book when you're supposed to be doing something on the Chromebook or math? Or is using your time wisely, you're focused, you're completing the work that you're supposed to be completing? So what I want you to do is, in Canvas, I want you to type your answer to this question. What does it mean to use time wisely? Make sure you submit your answer. Okay, have a good day. Bye.